Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanae Bekkar, Oracle Ace Pro, and on this channel I'm sharing a practical tutorial about Oracle Integration Cloud, Oracle Apex, and some topics also about a multi-cloud architecture. If you're starting with Oracle Apex and want a realistic data to practice with, the Customer Order Sample Dataset is one of the best places to start. In this quick video, I show you how to install the sample dataset directly into your Apex workspace using SQL Workshop. By the end of this video, you will have a table for customers, stores, products, and orders ready to use in your application. So let's get started. So first, let's log in to our Oracle Apex workspace. So here we are in our workspace homepage where you can access development tools like the app builder, the SQL Workshop, the team development gallery. So for installing sample data, we'll be using SQL Workshop. Then we select utilities, then click on sample datasets. So Oracle provides several ready to install datasets that help you practice building applications. These datasets include structured tables and relationship, which make them perfect for learning Apex. So here inside this page, you are seeing multiple available datasets. So we will locate the customer order datasets. This dataset includes tables such as customer, products, stores, and orders. And to install it, so simple, just we click install, then we put language. Of course, here, like you see, is English, and then we click next, and Apex here will automatically create the required tables and load sample data into your workspace schema. So here we will wait once the installation completes. Successfully. Okay, we can create already applications if you want, like you see here, based on that sample dataset that we made. If we return back here, you see that we have tables already added, 5 new tables added. So why this dataset matters? It's important to know that the customer orders dataset is commonly used in Apex tutorials because it simulates a real e-commerce system, and this makes it ideal for practicing interactive reports, forms, master detailed pages, dashboards, data visualization, etc. And of course, like you see, we can always verify that the tables were created successfully by just opening SQL Workshop, browse on Object Browser, click on Object Browser, and then you see that the customer orders tables are now available in your workspace. So I think that's all for this one. So, and that is, you successfully installed the customer order sample set in Oracle Apex, and in the next video we will go through how we can build a simple application using these tables in, of course, under 5 minutes. If you're learning Oracle Apex development, consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.